You are really incredible at times. You have selective memory, Mr. Bryce. I'm telling you, hindi pwedeng selective dito. Pagka nangako ka, magsasabi ka ng totoo, totohanin mo lahat. Hindi pwedeng kung ano lang yung conveniently maalala mo, yun lang ang sasabihin mo rito. Hindi ka papasa rito. Ang daming tao rito eh. I'm warning you again. Alam mo, pwede ka naming i-detain dito hanggang sa ma-issuean ka ng warrant ng Sandigan Bayan. It will only take what? 40 to 60 days. No? And we can detain you here until such time that a warrant of arrest, non-bailable at that, because malversation over and above 8.8 million pesos na threshold, hindi ka makakapiyansa. So you better think many times, Mr. Bryce and JP De Guzman. Cook na kayo eh. Wag na kayo lumusot. Magsabi na kayo, alam nyo, may tinatawag tayong redemption. Whether it's redemption here or redemption there, it's still redemption. So you better, mag-reflect kayo mabuti. That's my advice.
Your Honor, regarding po dun sa lifting of contempt.
Oh, never mind. I just, I already made my point. In-attach mo eh. Tinatanggi mo kanina, attachment.